In this video, I will show you how to change language on Shein application. So first of all, you have to open up the Shein application. Now on the application's main interface, you will see all sorts of items that are for sale. So what you have to do is that you have to tap on the Me icon that is present at the bottom right corner of your screen. Now from here, you very simply have to tap on the settings icon that is present above the gift card. Now on your settings, you will see an option that says language, so you have to tap on that. Now on the language, as you can see, currently there are only 4 options available. You can either follow the phone system language, English, Portuguese or Spanish. So for example, if I want to change my language into Spanish, I will simply tap on that, and now as you can see, I have easily changed the language of my Shein application. So everyone, that's how you can change your language on the Shein application without much hassle. That's pretty much all for today's video. Consider subscribing to our channel for more informative videos in the future. Until then, stay safe.